have I been? If you've been following me for a while, you have noticed that I have not posted, and it's because your girl is extremely busy and it just took a lot to take the time to record while I'm doing everything. In this video, I just wanted to kind of start, making it a part of my process to, get you up to speed on what I'm doing, because I think this will be helpful for some of the people that may be about to be in the same situation as me. I am currently selling this townhome, as you see here, and I am also building a new home in the same time frame. So my goal is to get it sold prior to me moving into my home that will be finished soon. So I will talk a little bit more about that, and I'm just go ahead and ask you the question if you if you plan on doing that in the future, if you're planning on selling your home, or you want to buy or build a new house. What kind of questions do you have that you may not be able to find Googling, or maybe you want my personal experience? Please drop it in the comment section below. I would love to gather all of those questions and do a video on it pretty soon. So today I wanted to kind of tackle some of the things that I have to do, and I thought this will be a good video if you are looking to upgrade your home. This is something that you could do also, and people don't think about, and not even like something that you own. Even if you rent, you could just hold on to the item. So the item is the door handles, right? You can change out the door handles in your home. I know when I get a new product, especially like blinds or something like that, I would like to see it visually. Even though reading the instructions, sometimes it doesn't make sense unless I see it. So that's what I want to show you today. It's just how simple it is, so you understand. Okay, so here's what my door handle looked like before. What I'm going to do is start by removing the 2 screws on the faceplate. Now you can remove the faceplate from the frame. Okay, moving on to the door handle, we're going to start by removing the 2 screws that are in the middle of the door. Also remove the 2 screws on the back side. I find it helpful doing this with a drill, but if you don't have one, you can also use a Phillips screwdriver. After you remove the screws, you should be able to remove both handles. Once the handles are gone, you should be able to easily remove the latch. Here's the door handle that I decided to purchase. What I usually do is take out all the parts that are in the box. Next, I'm going to install the faceplate inside the frame using the screws that come in the kit. Next, I'm going to install the new latch by inserting it in the hole in the middle of the door. Please note that these instructions work for this particular door handle. It may vary depending on the door handle you decide to purchase. This particular handle came in 2 parts, so what we're going to do is install one of the sides first and then put the other side on second. What I'm doing is connecting the handle to the latch, and you want to be very careful to make sure you align it to the holes that are in the latch. Now I'm going to align the handle to make sure it's straight and then insert the 2 screws. Sometimes you'll get a kit like this where the handle is broken apart. I've already installed the body of one side of the handle, and this is the handle part. And what I'm going to do is attach it to the body using this hex key. Once that is attached, you are pretty much finished. As you can see, it's pretty simple and quick to change out your doorknobs. The one I had was pretty straightforward. I'm able to do it in like 5 minutes. I would say between 5 to 10 minutes per door. But the first time you do it, it's going to take longer because it's a learning curve. But once you learn it and get the rhythm, it's going to be easier as you go along. What I will say about door handles, there are door handles that are inexpensive. It just depends on what your style is, what you gravitate towards. It seems like everything I gravitate towards is expensive. I don't know why, but it is. So the handles that I love are these modern handles that are black, and I believe they cost between $15 to $20 depending on where you get it. There are a couple of places that you can get it, and I'll put the links in the description box below. Okay, so what I did was, because the price is not cheap, right? This is per door handle we're talking about, per door. And I have French doors and things like that. And in addition to the door handles, I purchased the hinges as well. And that's separate. So, because you can't change out the door handles and it be one color and then your door hinges is another. You know, I like to be cohesive. Some people might think you can do that, but for me, I just want to make sure it's all the same color. So what I did, since I have 3 levels, I just did it per level. So you just do that, and I work myself up to the second level. Second level does not have as many doors, so that's less expensive. So it can add up depending on how many rooms you have that have doors. So I just wanted to put that in there. I'm not trying to make it seem like it can't get expensive. It can, depending on what type of knob you gravitate towards, right? Just saying. When I say knob, I mean handle. So the door handle that you open and close, that's what I'm referring to. Forgive me if I'm interchanging the words. So I just want to just mention that. Take your time. You know, it is worth it. If you love something, it doesn't mean that you can't have it. Just take your time, save your money, see how much it is, and then just kind of like budget for it. You know, one month, you know, a couple of months you save up for it, and then you're ready to purchase the item. You already know how many doors you need, and you're ready to purchase it. You have this video that Trisha made that shows you exactly how to do it, and boom, you got it done, right? So don't think that you have to do it quickly. There is no time frame unless you do. If you're like me and you're trying to sell your home, yes, you do have a time or deadline as to when you need to get it done, right? You cannot close having stuff that need to be fixed unless you're going to negotiate that. I guess you can, but just me, I just want to make sure it's done. I don't have to worry about that. I don't want nobody coming back negotiating any prices, lowering the cost because I didn't have something complete. I just wanted to put that out there. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please look out for the next video. It's coming soon. I'm going to try to, you know, get up to speed with these videos. I am always thinking about you guys and wanting to make sure that I'm sharing valuable information that can be helpful to you. So please, you know, look out for the video. Don't give up on me. All right, until next time, have a great week. Bye. Giving you a big hug. Bye.